Hi friends and welcome back to LearnVern. In the last session, we learned about how to install Magento on a local system and verifying it. In today's session, we are going to learn about the basics of Magento admin panel. Now let's have a look at Magento's dashboard. Enter the user details which you created in our last session. This will log us in and we will have a look at Magento's dashboard now. After logging in, Magento will first display all the incoming messages. These incoming messages can be related to any new upgrades or patches provided by Magento. Magento has a lot of options available on the dashboard. On the top, there is a global record search which helps us to search all the records in Magento. On Magento's dashboard, you will see a lot of options listed. On the home page, you can see lifetime sales, average orders, last 5 orders, last 5 search terms, and top 5 search terms. In the right section, it will show us a graph of the products. When you log into Magento, the first thing you are going to see is Magento's dashboard. Magento's dashboard has a lot of options. If we start from at the most top section, you will see a global record search where you can search all the products and categories. So there is no need to go to any product or category section. You can directly search for any category or product directly from this global record search. Now, the dashboard has multiple options like lifetime sales, average orders, last 5 orders, last 5 search terms, top 5 search terms. In the right section, you can see different products like best sellers, most viewed products. You can also see new customers and all customers listed. When you are running your Magento in a live environment, these details give you a brief idea of how you can take decisions on your Magento store. The main menus in Magento's dashboard are Sales, Catalog, Customers, Promotions, Newsletter, CMS, Reports, and System. So we will look at some of these menus today in this section. So we will have a look at some of the menus today in this chapter. The first menu is Sales. In Sales menu, you can find all the details related to orders like order creation, invoice generation, shipment creation, and credit memos, etc. If you visit the order menu, you can see details of various orders in Magento. Any new order submitted in Magento will be coming in this grid. In Magento's term, these are called as grids. The grids are sortable as well as searchable. So if you want to search any product, any order by ID, you can directly type in an ID in here. This can also be sorted by clicking up on the top menu. The next thing is invoices. From this menu, you can generate all the invoices for particular products. And you can also view statuses related to products. So you can also have a look at different statuses of all the products. The third menu is shipments. From this menu, you can ship products. This menu will have all the details of the customer address and shipping details of the products. We are going to have a complete session on the sales section. So this section is just to give you an overview of all the different menus available in Magento. The fourth menu is credit memos. In credit memo, you can see all the refunds made from Magento and the refund status. There is another important menu from the sales section is tax. From this menu, you can manage all the tax rules, manage tax zones, import as well as export tax rates from other sites or via CSV. The second menu in the dashboard is Catalog. From Catalog, you can manage products, manage categories as well as attributes. When you click on Manage Products, you will see all the products listed in Magento. Magento website can host practically unlimited number of products. You can see the total number of products here, and you can also change the number of products to view on a single page. The second menu is categories. Categories are the navigational part of Magento's website. Categories will host multiple products and will be visible as a main menu on Magento's homepage. The third menu is attributes. Attributes has two options: manage attributes and manage attribute sets. Now, product attributes can be explained as different product options. For example, a t-shirt can be of different colors. So, color is an attribute of t-shirt. In the same way, attribute sets can host multiple number of attributes and they can be assigned to a single product. For example, a t-shirt can be of different size as well as of different color. So both color and size can be in a single attribute set. Another menu in catalog is customer reviews and ratings. From this menu you can manage all the customer reviews. You can see all the pending reviews and approve them. The third menu is customers. Customers are most important part of a Magento website. If you click on manage customers, you can see all the customers who have registered on your Magento website. Manage customers hold all the important details about customers like his name, email address, shipping address, billing address, etc. If you click on any of the customer, you will be able to see all the important details about the customer. You can even change the details about the customer directly from this menu. For example, you can change the date of birth for customer if he requests you to do so. The second thing is customer groups. A single website can host multiple customer groups. For example, these customer groups are the default customer groups available in Magento, like a wholesale customer, general customer, not logged in, private sales member, and VIP members. So why are customer groups used for? Customer groups are used in Magento because different customer groups can have different product rates assigned to them. A wholesale customer group can have higher number of discount compared to the general customer group. As you can see, the assigned text classes are different. As I already informed, we are going to have different dedicated sections for each Magento part. In that sessions, we will cover all this part in details. In the next session, we will learn about the configuration menu in Magento.